Courtney from Trout Country Fishing Guides.
And I'm Mike Orlowski, Trout Country Fishing Guide.
And this is where beginners learn to tie flies.
Yeah, so today we're going to be learning to tie a basic thread chironomid.
Perfect.
Doesn't require too much material, just
like it easy.
A proper color thread and a bead. So, chironomids, midges.
Okay, we're talking about lake fishing here, right?
Yeah. In the larval stage, have a white gill and multiple color bodies, sizes, whatnot. Depends where you fish in BC. Different lakes will have different sizes and colors, and it's good to stock up on a variety of different ones, but this is a really good basic pattern to start off with. So this one I'm going to tie with olive thread. Courtney's going to tie with black thread.
You're like a jackrabbit, like the Energizer Bunny.
We're going to cover the whole body with thread and try and tie it in an even manner.
Okay, it's even. It's even.
Okay, we're going to wrap some thread, or pardon me, some wire on there.
Am I ending up at the end of the hook or at the beginning? The head or the...
You're going to go back to the head.
Gotcha. One day I will wrap as fast as you, but until that day, this is what we get.
Well, there's a piece of wire.
Perfect. I love this fly. It takes about 2 minutes. You could tie 100 of them.
I like using red wire, but silver wire is another good one. You do find a lot of chironomids, especially in the coastal areas we fish here, that are fairly small, 14s or 16s, black with silver rib. It's just good to be prepared. And then you're just going to use the thread to wrap a very nice, evenly tapered body.
Okay. Ooh, mine is not as even as I thought it was going to be. But you know what? Fish don't care. Fish don't care.
Fish don't care.
But I do care about what kind of beer I'm drinking. So that is why. Oh! Well, I'm going to talk about the cream ale here. Delicious, nutritious, in some way. Definitely drinkable. Do it all the time. Thank you, Mariner Brewing. Cheers.
So once you have a nice evenly wrapped body,
okay,
we're going to wrap the wire forward.
So the the thread needs to be wrapped all the way to the head of the fly, and then you can wrap the what's it called?
Well, we're using copper wire.
Copper wire.
It adds a little weight and some color.
Perfect.
And then I'm using a little ostrich, ostrich. Peacock works as well.
Ooh. My drag isn't set right. I learned that the last time though. So when's the best time to fish these?
Generally in the spring, right after ice off on the lake, is when they start.
You're hungry.
Throughout most of the year, there are major and minor chironomid hatches. A really good angler that fishes lakes will have multiple fly boxes full of these.
Just every color, shape, any sort of transition, because you never really know what's going to hit, right?
Exactly. It's good to be prepared if you see a certain type of chironomid that's coming off.
How big of a beautiful feather? Anything?
One little strand.
Okay,
and then wrap.
And I'm wrapping it around like as a collar. Oh
as a
no!
collar.
I just wasted that little guy. Okay. Oops. Beautiful.
to leave the wraps till the very end because you
Oh no. Yep, keep going. Keep going.
put a little UV clear cure on here, but some nail polish works just fine. Keeps the body from falling apart.
Durability. It's all about durability, especially when the bite is on.
If you have a really good fly that's really good in fish,
it's gonna get chewed up, you know?
You want it to last as long as possible as well.
Exactly, so you can be on the water for as long as possible. So you don't have to go home and start working and having a real job or a 9-to-5 job. So how many times in here, Mikey? So it got,
you're doing
got a
good.
little
Just
collar.
wrap it forward. Keep the wraps right next to each other. Wrap it right up to the bead.
Okay. Actually, honestly, guiding is really like a 12-hour job.
Yeah, it's a lot more than 9 to 5.
It's not something to be poked fun of. Oh man, I'm gonna need that lighter. Thank you. So we're mainly catching.
Well, it's a classic interior rainbow trout fly.
You're not gonna believe what I just did. Except you are. How bad is that?
So you take it, you fold it over.
Okay, I'm getting your thread back into the bobbin super quick.
Take it, fold over, twist it.
Oh man.
So it's just one piece like that.
Honestly, it's like the reality TV show of tying flies. You never know what Courtney's gonna do. You never know what she's gonna break. I've almost burnt my little collar to a crisp. But you know what? Fish don't care. Okay, and I'm guessing I'm whip finishing it off now.
No, you would finish.
Look at that.
Yeah, you did it.
She sets
now
it
hold
up.
that parallel. Hold that parallel. There you go.
Ooh.
Nope.
I know, I just gotta get it like up on that front, right? Keep sliding back.
Do one wrap with it and then keep it parallel.
Perfect.
There you go. And as you wrap, give yourself, if you pull this way, you see, give yourself extra line. There you go. As you're wrapping, see, there you go. The opposite. There you go.
I get a little crazy. I don't know if it's gonna pull tight though.
You want to unhook
That back one
the
first.
lower part first.
Ooh, I might break my thread. I did it real tight.
Stop. Oh.
Ow.
Here, just go.
Live and learn, live and learn.
Just let go of that thread. Now pull on it.
Pull on the thread. Corny done.
There you go.
Yeah, perfect. So are we gluing this one or what?
You're gonna use a lot of glue on this particular
definitely
fly.
gonna use some. Where's the glue? Ah, UV.
And
My favorite.
you can trim that part.
Oh.
If you
Okay, so simple fly. Not impossible to mess it up, but you can always save it. I think a few fish would eat this. Don't judge me.
So the collar we just tied on there.
It went down. It's gone. It's gone. The collar is gone. The collar is gone. Super gone. It's too late. Okay, not my best fly. Hey, you win some, you lose some.
Actually, yeah.
It'll
totally
work.
works.
It'll
Totally
work.
works.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, show us some love. And thank you, Mariner Brewing, for sponsoring our fly tying sessions. Cheers,
Cheers.
Mikey.